Here is the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G, Infinix 2022 flagship device. It's a 185,000 naira device with support for 5G internet. Since this is the highest device from the company, one would expect a high performance from this phone, and rightly so. The Note 12 Pro 5G is the highest and most expensive of the 5 devices in the series. It has a great screen and a neat design as well. One of the top features of this device is that it has 9 layers graphene cooling system. More about that later. Beside this, it has a camera of 108 megapixel sensor, making the Note 12 Pro 5G come in line with big brands such as Samsung Galaxy S22 and Redmi Note 11. There's a lot to talk about this device, and I will tell you every bit of it starting from the unboxing. Nevertheless guys, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button. Liking my video is the only way you tell YouTube that you enjoy my videos, and only then they will recommend my videos to other people as well. So please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, please subscribe. So here is the box. It's a regular packaging box and it won't be out of place if I expected something better. Open the box, the phone is right on top with its quick specifications wrapped around it. Next is the SIM removal tool, which is way too regular. The bumper case is next in line with no improvement from previous design, but it does look pretty on the device. Here comes a 33-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and finally an earpiece. The design of this phone is the one area where I have mixed feelings. There is this part of me that tells me that the design is just perfect. If you consider the camera section here, the build quality can hardly be denied. And not just that, the phone feels so nice to hold. You are holding a phone that engages your palm and fingers with comfort and a kind of esteem. The design even gets better because it's so light and easy to handle. Also worthy of mentioning is the double speakers it has at the top and at the bottom. Designing a phone with 2 speakers in this position not only boosts its volume but also adds to its quality. So here is a random speaker quality check. In addition, it has a power button that serves as a fingerprint scanner. It makes sense to me because your fingers easily fit with the power button once you hold the phone. This is a comparison with iPhone 11 Pro Max with a power button that is not convenient to press as the Note 12 Pro 5G. On top of that, the SIM house can support 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. Design-wise, this is yet another good stuff with this phone. Most Android phones do not support 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. So you are stuck with either 2 SIM cards without a memory card or just 1 SIM card and a memory card. The SIM tray design is really a good deal. At the bottom, you have the audio jack, a microphone, a Type-C charging port, and a speaker. Talking about what I don't like about this phone is that it only has 2 color options, black and white. So you don't get blue color, you don't get orange color, just black and white. My second problem with this phone is that the back feels a bit regular. Perhaps a plain back without any pattern would have made more sense. Well, that's just my take. But what I do like about the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G is the display. It has an IPS AMOLED display and the display resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, and that's perfect for a phone like this. The screen to body ratio is 92%, and that means that you still have some bezels at the sides. But at least it has a great display and a fair display brightness. It also has a fluid transition between screens and it responds right on time. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh. On average use, it should take you for more than a whole day. It is able to hold for much longer because the phone has a cooling system that reduces its temperature by 5 degrees. In essence, it means low battery consumption and hardly overheat even when playing high-end games. It does give great performance, no lagging, no freezing. After all, that is what everyone would normally expect from an 8GB RAM phone with support for memory fusion. Apps open right on time without delay, and browsing the internet is super fast with its 5G compatibility. It comes with a massive 108 megapixel back camera and you can take awesome pictures and videos with it. Aside from the 108 megapixel main camera, it also features a 2 megapixel depth lens and another 2 megapixel macro lens. The main camera takes great videos with good performance even when facing light. The footage from this camera maintains color balance and it is sharp as well. Both normal photo and portrait modes gives excellent shots. I tried the Pro mode and tested how strong the lens can focus. The result turned out to be perfect. The macro camera also performed well during the test. The front camera is 16 megapixel and it has awesome performance as well. Here is a video test from the front camera. Hello guys, this is the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G front camera. It's a 16 megapixel camera and I'm testing for the camera appeal, the front camera appeal to see how it looks. Well, compared with so many other Android phones of this range, you can tell that this camera is really great. It does well, it has a very good performance. Both the back and the front cameras, they have very good performance and appeal. And one thing I like about this camera though is that, now given the fact that this phone is less than 200k, I would say it is a good deal. It is value for money. But what do you think about this device? Let me know in the comment section below. This video will lead you to the regular 4G Note 12 unboxing and review. The link is also in the description. Check it out and see you in my next video.